All right, what you should be doing right now in August in a northern climate. I'm up in northern Michigan, and I just pulled all of my garlic from this area here and a couple other areas, so now I'm going to replant it to maximize some growing season. I've got a little bit of time left before that frost comes, so I have decided to work this very much with a hoe to get all the weeds out. I used all those weeds that have not really gone to seed. A lot of it's grass. I have just thrown it in between the corn and on the pathway and stuff like that, because as it breaks down, it will give nutrients to the corn that's growing right there, plus just back into the soil. That's always a great tip to always do with your weeds that haven't gone to seed or anything like that. Then I went and raked it to make it smooth. Then I decided to put a path down the middle so that I can walk down the middle and reach to everything as it starts to grow. So I just happened to use bark that we already have cut up from cutting our wood. So I just used that as a pathway there, but you could use really anything, or maybe your path, or maybe you don't need a path. It's up to you. Then I went ahead and sprinkled a bunch of different seeds, and I just really just threw them willy-nilly everywhere. That's how I like to plant some things. So I did lettuce, a couple different kinds of lettuces, a couple different kinds of carrots, some cilantro, and some spinach. So I just kind of threw them all in here. Then I lightly raked it to cover it back up, and I tamped it with my feet just to kind of secure them in the ground. And then I used my watering can to lightly water. So we will need to water this every day until they sprout. That's what seeds need, right? We're telling them to wake up with the water and the warm temperatures. So that's what I'm planting up here in northern Michigan in the beginning of August before our frost hits.